Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can import a PDF into Notion. At the time of me filming this video, the PDF importing option is in the beta phase, which means that Notion is currently testing this feature out. And so it might change by time this feature goes live. But let's get started. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our PDF is saved to our computer where we can find it easily because we're going to need it in a second. So then we're going to go over to Notion. We're going to click inside the Notion and we're going to make sure that we can see the prompt where it says write, press space for AI forward slash for commands. We're going to hit the forward slash key on our keyboards and we're going to type in PDF. Now you're going to have two options in the filtered results. You have the PDF embeds and the PDF import. The PDF embeds, I did make a video on that, and that is just going to display your PDF differently. That's really the main difference. It's not going to create a sub page, but you can go and check that video out if you need to decide whether you're going to do the embeds or you're going to do the import. So we're going to do the import, which is our second option. Like I said, it's in the beta phase, so that may be there by the time you see this video. It may not be there. So we're going to click that. Once we do that, it's going to open up where all of our documents are saved to. And we're just going to click on the document that we need to upload. Now, the time that it takes for your document to upload is going to depend on how big your file is. So, if it has less, it's obviously going to take less time. And if it has more data in there, it's going to take more time. So, once our document is imported, we're going to be able to see that there's a link there with the title of our document. It has now become a clickable link, which will now open up to a sub page. So once we click in that, we can see that the document that we had uploaded, the PDF, it is now transferred over into Notion. And that is how you import a PDF into Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.